Welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV, the live TV show all about the legal aspects of your business to help educate you on complex legal terms in an easy to understand manner, to help understand why you need to do certain things in your business from a legal point of view, and to help you develop a plan for the future. Our mission at Business Legal Lifecycle is to help empower all small to medium-sized businesses around the world to get access to legal advice so that they can help build their communities and make the world a better place.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle. Today is Monday, so it's Fast Fix Monday here at the show. My name is Craig Mason, and I have with me on a very wonderful Monday, Jeremy Stratton. Say hello to everyone, please, Jeremy.
Hi everyone, hope you're having an awesome Monday.
Absolutely, we all love Mondays, particularly when we get to tune in to Fast Fix Monday and we share some information with you that may help you in your business. Today we're talking about bankruptcy. So not a uplifting topic, but today's show is about 5 ways to avoid bankruptcy, which is very uplifting. You get onto these things early and you may be able to avoid bankruptcy, which is definitely not something that everyone wants to go through. So 5 ways to avoid bankruptcy, Jeremy. What is the first one that we've come up with today?
Yeah, so the first one, if you're looking and maybe I'm going bankrupt, is to sell some assets. So often, we've got houses or properties or cars, or we have vacant land, whatever, and shares. And if you own some of that, then and you're looking at going bankrupt, sell it, because if you can use that to pay back your debts, that's going to be a lot better than actually fire selling your assets, and the bankruptcy trustee will do, and paying back the debts that you've got. So if you've got assets, sell them, pay back your debts as quickly as you can. Craig, number 2.
Number 2 is about paying your way out of debt. So similar to the first one, if you've got assets, to sell those assets and pay your creditors. You may have a way of paying your debts over time. So enter into an arrangement where you're paying it back over time. Is a way to avoid a bankruptcy because the debts aren't, the creditors aren't banging on your door because you're paying debts off over time. That's the second one. The third one, which is about creditors as well, Jeremy.
Yeah, the third one is to ask your creditors to help you avoid bankruptcy. So, if you've ever gone bankrupt or know someone who has, often creditors get nothing at the end of the day. And if your creditors know that, then they might be amenable to actually helping you to avoid bankruptcy, and might actually work with you to pay back your debts over time. So ask your creditors to help you. Be honest with them. Don't put your head in the sand. The ostrich approach never works with bankruptcy. But if you can actually have a chat to them, then often they'll help you to avoid bankruptcy as best they can. Craig, number 4.
Number 4 is about getting help as well. This is not from your creditors. This is where you might be approaching family or friends about potentially putting some money forward to help you avoid bankruptcy. So, it's probably not something everyone wants to go through, but if you've got a family member or a friend that could help you out, have a chat to them. Make sure if you do go down that path that you are documenting all those sorts of things, particularly from their side, because it will be a loan most of the time in order to pay back your creditors. So get some help from family or friends. And the fifth one, which is kind of a summary of everything to do.
Yeah, and that's really to settle as best you can with your creditors and debt collectors. So, as I said before, the ostrich approach doesn't work. You need to make sure that you get in there and talk to these people, and make sure that you come to an agreement. So you can, sometimes, depending on the creditor, you might be able to come to an agreement to pay back a portion of the debt or pay it off over time. Make sure you talk to them, and you should be able to settle with your creditors and debt collectors. Craig, that's the 5 ways to avoid bankruptcy.
Absolutely. So if you've got any questions or comments about today's show, please get in touch with us. Today's show is number 192, so the notes will be available on the website. It's an important topic to discuss, make sure you're clear about. A lot of times bankruptcy comes in the business world after a company has failed and gone into liquidation. There might be some personal guarantees and things like that floating around the place. So important to get the right advice and go through these 5 ways to avoid bankruptcy. That's it for us today. Jeremy, anything else you wanted to add before we sign off?
No, other than we'll see everyone next week.